So then I said to him, James, that's not my cat. That's my dad.
That is so funny. That reminds me of the time that my cat got out of the house and climbed that palm tree.
Oh, you already told me that one. Oh. Have I ever told you about the time that my ex-girlfriend thought a tree was a mammal?
Yeah, you told me that. Did I ever tell you about the time that my ex-tree thought my girlfriend was a mammal?
Yeah, you did tell me that one. Did I ever tell you about the time that I almost hung myself with my tie on purpose?
Yes. Did I ever tell you about the time that I shot a squirrel and I loved watching it bleed?
Yeah. Have I ever told you about the...
Yeah. Have I ever told you about the time that
Yeah. Have I ever told...
Yeah. Have I...
Yeah. Huh.
I guess we've run out of things to say to each other.
Really? We haven't even known each other that long.
Just happens that way sometimes.
I guess we'll just be quiet now. Oh!
Don't. It's over.
Women, you know what you do that's crazier than anything else to be cute? Pretend like you're tall. You're not. You're not tall when you're wearing your fake heels. It's like, you know, the average woman's 5.5 inches shorter than the average guy. You forget that because they wear heels all the time. You think your girl is like around your height until the end of the night when you get home. Remember how short she is when she takes her shoes off? Like, wasn't tonight a fun night? Such a fun night. This is how it was. Such a fun night. Look, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and take out 60% of my hair. And when I come back, we need to talk about you being more honest with me.